Welcome back, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So let's start our video again. So today we are going to discuss the question and answers of your chapter first. Okay, so I'm discussing the question and answers because it will make it easier for you to learn them. Okay, one more thing students, I want to tell you, do your work on time, don't make it pending. Okay, don't make it pending, otherwise it will become a burden for you. Okay, so do your work on time and do your learning work side by side. Okay, so let's start. So question number 3, answer the following question in one word. Okay, so this is on page number 8. So first question is, how do royal decrees help historians? Okay, so now what is royal decrees? Royal decrees are the orders given by the kings and queens. Okay, so at that time when the kings and queens used to give some orders, so they used to write down these orders. So those orders are called royal decrees. So how those orders are helping our historians? Okay, so royal decrees are orders given by a king or a queen which remains as evidence. वो उनके लिए एक evidence बन गया, एक सबूत बन गया. Okay, evidence and provide important sources of study and investigation for historians. तो उनके लिए ये एक source of study बना और उनके लिए investigation का एक जरिया बना. Okay, so that's why royal decrees help historians. Okay, I am repeating the answer again. Royal decrees are orders given by a king or a queen. King or queen जो orders देते हैं are called the royal decrees, which remains as evidence. क्या बने वो? Evidence, and provide important source of study बने, important source of study बने उनकी investigation के लिए and investigation for historians. Okay, so let's proceed to next question. Name two biographies and autobiographies. So we have already discussed what is biography and what is autobiography. Or biographies are the books or the about the life of a person written by another person, and an autobiography is that book in which the person himself write about himself. Okay, so two biographies name is, first is Prithviraj Raso, which was written by Chand Bardai. Okay, Prithviraj Raso written by Chand Bardai. Then second is Humayun Nama by Gulbadan Begum. Humayun Nama, it was written by Gulbadan Begum. Okay, then two autobiographies, Babur Nama written by Babur, then Tuzuk-e-Jahangiri written by Jahangir. Okay, so proceed to third question. What are dohas? So dohas, you are also studying in Hindi also dohas. So the dohas are the paragraphs of 2 lines. Okay, in which some instances are explained to us. Okay, so a doha is a couplet. Couplet means 2 lines. Okay, paragraph of 2 lines consisting of 2 lines, each of 24 instants or matras. Okay, now next is question number 4. What is calligraphy? Now calligraphy is the art of writing. Okay, have you seen some persons who used to write like this, like this? Okay, so the art of writing is called calligraphy. Calligraphy is the art of writing alphabets in an artistic manner. Okay, so in an artistic manner, बहुत ही अच्छे manner से, so that it looks very beautiful and attractive. Okay, so उस तरीके से जो लिखते हैं, that is called calligraphy. Okay, now next question is, how do writings of foreign travelers help in reconstructing history? तो जो foreign travelers, as we have already discussed, जो foreign travelers जो थे, जो travelers those who came to India and they searched and researched on some informations on our India and they wrote it down. So how do those informations are helping us to reconstruct our histories? How? So their accounts means their writings. Okay, their writings compact with, okay, consist of court affairs. तो उनकी writings में हमें क्या क्या देखने को मिलता है? Court affairs, कौन से कोर्ट में क्या क्या हुआ था और किस राजा के साथ उनकी क्या बात हुई थी. ओके। देन आर्किटेक्चरल फीचर, कौन से आर्किटेक्चरल फीचर्स, कौन से मॉन्यूमेंट्स, बिल्डिंग्स, पेंटिंग्स, स्कल्पचर्स उन्होंने देखे थे। एंड रिलीजियस इश्यूज, जब वो हमारी कंट्री में आए थे तो उस समय कौन से टाइप के रिलीजियस इश्यूज हो रहे थे, वो सारी चीजें भी उन्होंने लिखी थी। दे हैव रोट इट डाउन, सो दैट्स व्हाई दे आर हेल्पिंग अस इन रिकंस्ट्रक्टिंग आवर हिस्ट्री। ओके, सो again, how do royal decrees help historians? Royal decrees are orders given by a king or a queen which remains as evidence and provide important source of study and investigation. Okay, for historians, name two biographies and autobiographies. So two biographies are Prithviraj Raso by Chand Bardai, then Humayun Nama by Gulbadan Begum. Then two autobiographies, Babar Nama and Tuzuk-e Jahangiri. Okay. Now, what are dohas? A doha is a couplet consisting of two lines. Okay, two lines. It consists of two lines, each of 4 instants or matras. Now, question number 4. What is calligraphy? Calligraphy is the art of writing alphabets. Alphabets को लिखने की जो art होती है in an artistic manner. Now, how do writings of foreign travelers help in reconstructing history? History को reconstruct करने में वो कैसे help कर रही है? So, their accounts compact with, उनके accounts में क्या क्या होता है? Compact with means consist of, okay? Compact with court affairs, architectural features and religious issues. Okay, so they help us in reconstructing our history. So thank you students, keep learning. Okay, keep learning one by one, so that's why, so that they do not become burden for you. Okay, thank you. Wait for the next video.